Are you an adventurer, vlogger, or someone who loves to capture memories? If so, you need a great action camera that can keep up with your active lifestyle. Today we're going to look at 5 action cameras that cover a wide range of uses. No matter what type of videography you want to shoot, one of these cameras should be just what you're looking for. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. These products appear in no particular order, and the list is based on manufacturer-provided data and specs as well as customer reviews sourced from various websites. Let's get started. Number 1 on our list is the DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is a small, lightweight action camera that packs a big punch. It can shoot stunning 4K video at 120 fps and 1080p video at 240 fps, and it has a 12 megapixels front-facing camera for taking selfies and vlogging. The Osmo Action 3 is also waterproof to 10 meters, dustproof, and freeze-proof, so you can take it with you on any adventure. Pros: small and lightweight. High-resolution video recording. Incredible video quality. Waterproof. Cons: no built-in display. No voice control. Limited battery life. No ND filters. Number 2 is the GoPro Hero 11 Black. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is the latest and greatest action camera from GoPro. It features a 23.6 megapixels wide-angle lens, can record video in up to 5.3K resolution at 60 fps, and 27 megapixels photos. It also has hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization, which is the most advanced stabilization ever in a GoPro camera. The Hero 11 Black is also waterproof up to 33 feet, and it has a built-in front-facing display for easy selfies and vlogging. It has a new Time Warp 3.0 mode that lets you create time-lapse videos with just a few taps. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a great choice for anyone who wants to capture stunning action footage. It's perfect for sports, adventures, and everyday life. Pros: high-resolution video recording. Excellent stabilization. Waterproof. Wide range of features. Cons: high price. No built-in display. Battery life could be better. Low-light performance is not great. Number 3 on our list is the Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a 360-degree action camera that captures stunning panoramic footage. It features 5.7K resolution and 100 fps slow-motion mode. It's waterproof up to 10 meters, dustproof, and freeze-proof, and it has a built-in battery that lasts up to 80 minutes, making it perfect for capturing your adventures in any environment. The X3 also features flow state stabilization, which ensures your footage is smooth and steady, even when you're moving. Pros: high-quality 360 video. Superior stabilization. Innovative features. Easy to use. Cons: expensive. Not waterproof without a case. Battery life could be better. Not great in low light. 4th on our list is the DJI Action 2. The DJI Action 2 camera is a compact and versatile action camera designed for adventurers, content creators, and anyone who wants to capture their experiences in stunning detail. With its 4K, 60 fps video recording capability and 20 megapixel photos, the DJI Action 2 delivers exceptional image quality. It also features a range of advanced features, including rock-steady stabilization, HDR video, and a front-facing screen for easy framing and vlogging. Plus, with its modular design, you can easily switch between different accessories to customize your setup for any situation. Lightweight and durable, the DJI Action 2 is the perfect companion for all your adventures. Pros: small and lightweight. Magnetic modular design. Waterproof to 33 feet. Can be used as a webcam. Cons: overheating can limit clip length. Muted default color profile. Image quality isn't quite as crisp as GoPro. Low light performance isn't great. And finally, the 5th camera on our list is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a 23.6 megapixel sensor, 5K video recording at 30 fps, and 20 megapixels photos. It also has hyper-smooth 3.0 stabilization, which is the most advanced stabilization ever in a GoPro camera. The Hero 9 Black is also waterproof up to 33 feet, and it has a built-in front-facing display for easy selfies and vlogging. Pros: 5K video recording, 20 megapixels photos, hyper-smooth 3.0 stabilization, dual LCD displays. Cons: larger and heavier than previous models. Unresponsive touchscreen. Batteries are not backwards compatible. Voice controls still slightly buggy. Whether you're hiking, biking, or surfing, these action cameras will help you capture all the highlights of your adventures. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start exploring. Be sure to do your research and choose the one that fits your needs and preferences the best. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.